Well, quite a nice day across the Upper Peninsula for everybody as we headed back to school and to work. A few showers to the south here into Menominee and for us in Manistee, but those were very light showers, and now we are seeing mostly clear skies beginning to develop, and will be mostly clear as we head into the overnight. Not many clouds for us throughout the overnight, as most of them will be off to the east, and high pressure is going to build in, and that will help winds to calm as we head into the overnight, and also temperatures are going to drop off into the lower 50s, so it'll be a little chilly out there. Currently temperatures are at 72 degrees. West winds a little breezy at 13 miles per hour. For us here into Marquette, we are at 72. Temperatures in the central and western UP are warmer than what they are in eastern UP, as we're at 72 in Ontonagon, 69 in Ironwood, and 73 for us in Crystal Falls, 72 in Lawrence, and 68 in Houghton. For us to the east, though, a little more of that cool air holding on. 66 degrees in Munising, 73 in Escanaba, and more of the lower 70s in Ishpeming. But the winds coming in from the west, northwest here for us in Houghton, and more of a southwesterly direction at Escanaba and Munising. 8 for us to Marquette, 9 in Munising, and seeing that 8-mile-per-hour mark back into Ironwood. But throughout the overnight, they should be anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour. And throughout the entire state, temperatures are a little cooler than what they were yesterday. Only the lower 80s as opposed to the upper 80s that they saw farther south in southeastern Michigan at 81 degrees in Flint and 82 in Detroit. But let's go ahead and talk about our headlines, as we will be expecting tonight to be pretty much clear for us, and that will linger on into Wednesday as high pressure will be in control and keep temperatures on the warm side, as we'll be expecting more of the upper 70s and lower 80s for highs, becoming wet again as we get closer to tomorrow night and going into Thursday. Thursday is going to be the best time frame that we'll see those showers start to make their way in, and we could even be looking out for a few stronger storms, so we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that for you. But cooler air arrives as we get into the end of the week, and we'll be expecting highs to drop from the upper 70s and the lower 80s back into the middle 60s and maybe even the upper 50s for some of us. But our current setup is showing how the jet stream has dipped down a little bit. We do have that cooler, not that much cooler, but not as humid, definitely, pocket of air into the region. We'll have those showers make their way in as we get closer to the Thursday time frame. But for Wednesday, it looks to be absolutely gorgeous for us with high pressure in control, keeping the region very sunny and going to help temperatures make their way into the upper 70s. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our futurecast model, as we'll see the mostly clear conditions throughout the overnight. A few more clouds start to race their way in as we get closer to tomorrow night and on into Thursday, when we'll be looking out for those storms, and we could be looking out for those stronger storms, which will provide heavy rainfall, but also, like they saw yesterday, some of that severe activity. 52 degrees for our low tonight. A few clouds, southwest winds at 5 miles per hour. For us on Wednesday, southwesterly winds between 10 to 15, so a little more breezy, sunny, and warm. Look at highs back into the upper 70s for us in Crystal Falls, 77 in Ontonagon, and sitting at 76 in Houghton, while Munising all the way up to 80 degrees. And for our 7-day forecast, we'll have chances of rain on Thursday and Friday, with temperatures back in the upper 70s for us on Thursday, but look at how we drop off on Friday, back to 59 degrees, and it's almost like a fall air mass is going to be working its way in, so we'll feel more of that on into the weekend, although the sun does return for Saturday and Sunday with lows in the 40s before more clouds come back in by next Monday.